Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to update header and footer on your Wix Studio. So first start by logging into your Wix Studio account and then you'll select the site you want to work on. I'll just select a random template over here. Now we'll click on edit template on the top right corner to edit it. So we have our template right over here and this is our header. So we'll start by clicking on it. Then we'll click on the three dots over here and then we'll further scroll down and select detach from global section and then we'll again go back to here and delete it, and we have deleted our header. And now to update it, we'll go to the add elements on the top left corner. We'll go to the sections and further scroll down to the navigation bar where we get the headers option, and we have a lot of headers to choose from. Let's select this one. Now we have our header right over here and we'll click on these three dots here and we'll further scroll down. We'll select set as global and select header. Now we'll name it. Let's just name it as header 2. Now we can also set it as default by clicking here and selecting set as default. Now this is how we update our header. Now let's move on to footer. So we'll scroll down now and this is our footer. We'll right click on it. We'll select it and click on delete. So this way we have also deleted our footer, and then we'll further go to add elements, again to sections, and then we'll scroll to footers. Now we have a lot of footers to choose from. Let's just select this one and place it over here. Okay, so we have our footer right here. And we'll again select it. We'll scroll down and set it as global footer and name it as footer 2 or whatever you want to. Now we'll also set it as default just like how we did in header. Click on the three dots and select set as default. Now you can also delete the other footers or headers if you want to. Just go on them and click delete and it will be permanently deleted from your site. And that's quite it. You have successfully updated the header and footer in Wix Studio. A clean and well-designed header and footer can really elevate your site's look and user experience too. So thanks for watching.